a book, please?
Can you get Mommy a book?
Will you please bring me a book?
That's a farmer.
Nora, I need a book. Nora, get me a book, please. I need a good one. Pick me a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I need a good book,
Yeah.
Nora.
Can you go give it to Mommy?
Nora, I need a good book.
Give it to Mommy. Bring it to Mommy.
Nora, can I have it? Hey, baby.
She's like, this one's so good, I'm gonna keep it. Nora.
I love my baby.